All right, bud, we're gonna make Mr. Phil's sticky chicken.
Okay.
I've got a 12-inch 3-speed oscillating fan sitting on the floor in front of the divan. It's been there ever since this heat wave began. Our 12-inch 3-speed oscillating fan.
All right, we done got this little chunk of butter in here. Like Mr. Phil said, a chunk, didn't he? Chunk of butter and some olive oil. About that much. I ain't measuring nothing. We don't need to measure nothing, do we? It don't matter. Then what we gonna put in next, buddy?
I have no idea.
Chicken.
Yeah.
We're gonna put this chicken in there and brown it. There we go. Turn it up on about medium high so it gets good browning, all right? Okay. We'll check on it again here in just a minute. It looks good. Flip these over. Oh, it's brown real good, isn't it? Yeah, but pretty good. All right, buddy. What's our next thing we got to do?
We got to put on the onions and mushrooms.
Yeah, the onions and garlic. We didn't have very much garlic tonight, so it's not going to have a whole lot in there. Come here and put these onions in there. We're just going to take them, just going to kind of hold your hand over there and just kind of pick them out and cover everything up good with onions.
Done.
Yeah, that's pretty good. You remember what kind of seasoning we put on this chicken?
Mr. Phil's.
Mr. Phil's. All right, rake them mushrooms off on top of this. Now, watch out. We're going to put the lid back on that chicken. And what are we going to do with it now?
We're going to put it in the oven at 310 degrees.
310 degrees for how long?
For an hour and a half.
Yep. Hour and a half will do it. Here we go.
Okay, now.
It's already set, bud. It's already on. We just got to wait an hour and a half now.
Well, I guess all we got to do now is wait an hour and a half.
That's right. In the meantime, we're going to make us some rice. Get that stuff ready to go.
Yep.
Sound good?
Yep.
All right, dude. It's on. All right.
Well, I guess let's go ahead and get this yummy stuff out of the oven.
Sticky chicken out.
Yep.
The rice is done. It's ready to go. Sticky chicken's been in the oven for an hour and a half. What temperature?
310 degrees.
10 degrees. All right. Well, let's get the camera here and let's bring it in for a closer look.
Okay.
So we can see what happens here. All right. You ready?
Steady. Go.
Oh, look at that up in there.
Looks good.
Yeah, buddy. All right. Well, what we're going to do now is we're going to take some of that drippings that's down in
About
there.
some of that rice.
All that juice and drippings we're going to pour out of there. We're going to make us a gravy.
Yeah, that's what we always do.
Yeah. So tell them we'll be back in just a minute. We'll make some gravy.
We'll be back in a minute, folks.
All right. Let's fix us a plate and show the folks how to do it.
Okay. With
Here,
the
buddy.
rice, and then I'll do
Let me get you a little scoop of this rice here.
Okie dokie.
A little bit of rice.
Now we make a little hole in the middle.
Oh, we don't need a hole in the middle.
So I can
Need
have,
something to dip this gravy with. That right there will work. A little bit of that gravy up in that rice. Look at that. sticky chicken. Watch this. You don't like that skin part. Look at that. I'm just gonna chop that up in there. Just a little bit of that.
I could eat this for a living.
A couple pieces of onion up in there, a mushroom or two. Look at that. That plate work for you?
It'll work.
Alright, carry that and go over and sit down.
Okay.
Dear Lord, thank you for this day and this food. Amen.
We got supper ready, don't we, buddy?
Yeah, we do.
I'm saying see you next time.
See you next time.